Hey guys, welcome back to my Infinite Painter tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to turn anything into a furry object. In this case we'll turn this oval into a furry object. Select the smudge tool and select this dry paint brush, you'll find it in the paint category. Start smudging the edge of the object. As you can see, it looks like fur. Keep in mind the flow of the fur of your object. I'm drawing the fur in this direction. Now we'll add shadows, so, create a clip layer, and select darker color, then apply the shade. Light is coming from the top right corner, so, shadows will be in the lower left side. Select lighter color, and add some highlight here. Create a layer on the top and start smudging this shade and highlight. Create a new layer and select this darker color again. Draw random lines in the direction of fur. Select lighter color and draw these lines again. Do same in the shaded area. Now, select the smudge tool and start smudging in the direction of the fur. Create a layer and change it to overlay. Select lighter color, and apply it on the edge of the shadow area, so it looks like it's glowing because the light is passing through the fur. Thanks for watching. If it helped, then like the video and subscribe for more videos like this.